In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign your own document in DocuSign step by step. Whether you've sent a document to yourself for approval, need to complete an internal agreement, or just want to finalize paperwork quickly, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. DocuSign makes electronic signatures fast and secure, but if you're new to the platform, finding the right buttons can be a little confusing. So I'll keep this simple and easy to follow. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can do this by typing DocuSign.com into your address bar or by going directly to apps.docusign.com and signing in. Once you're on the homepage, log in with your email and password associated with your DocuSign account. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, look toward the top or side navigation menu and click on Agreements. This section shows all the documents that have been sent, received, completed, or are still waiting for signatures. It's essentially the control center for all your envelopes and documents inside DocuSign. Once you're inside the Agreements section, click on Inbox. The Inbox tab displays all documents that are waiting for your action. If you've sent a document to yourself to sign, this is where you'll find it. Scroll through the list if needed and locate the specific document you want to sign. When you find the document, click on the Sign button next to it. This will open the document in DocuSign Signing View. The system may first show you a quick disclosure about electronic records and signatures. If prompted, check the box to agree to use electronic records and signatures, then click Continue. Now the document will load and you'll see tags or highlighted fields indicating where your signature or information is required. To move quickly through the document, you can click the Start button and DocuSign will automatically guide you to each required field. Click on the first signature field. If this is your first time signing in DocuSign, you'll be prompted to create or adopt a signature. You can choose from a pre-generated signature style, draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your signature. Once you're satisfied, click Adopt and Sign. DocuSign will automatically place your signature in the required field. Continue clicking through any other fields such as date fields, initials, or text boxes, filling them out as needed. The platform will guide you to each required area until everything is completed. After all required fields are filled, click the Finish button, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. Once you click Finish, DocuSign will process the document and mark it as completed. You'll typically receive a confirmation message and a copy of the signed document will be sent to your email for your records. And that's it. You've successfully signed your own document in DocuSign. It's a quick and secure way to handle agreements without printing or scanning anything. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.